Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick yet delicious and nutritious salad that is perfect for a nice sunny day or any day that you want to pick yourself up. For the ingredients, you will need kales, which I've just put in hot water for just a minute and took it out. Roast spinach, nicely washed. Diced cucumber, sliced carrots, chopped celery, chopped onions, chopped chili. That's optional if you like some heat in your food, but it's very good, especially as it's got a lot of benefits. Chopped tomatoes, just one medium size, one chopped avocado, and finally some lentils, or any, you can use any legumes or any type of beans that you've just freshly boiled. So these, I soaked them overnight, and they're now ready, boiled and ready to be used for my recipe. With all my ingredients being ready, I'm going to mix everything up. So I've got my kales here, and I've added the tomatoes, and next I'm gonna just put my the lentils. And then my roast spinach, avocado, and the onions, celery, carrots, and the cucumber. Just remember, you have to just be creative. You don't have to have everything that I'm adding in this salad. Just use anything that you have at home that can be eaten raw without having to cook, except obviously except the lentils and the kales that I've had to just put in hot water for a few minutes, and then just mix everything up. I'm gonna give it a good mix. That looks really delicious. Okay, then I'm just going to garnish it now with my favorite olive oil. Just about, I put just 2 spoons of olive oil, and then I will add some salt in it. And finally, I've got some fresh herbs here. I've got basil, but you can use any other herb that you have at home. Herbs are really good. They help you to line your stomach, and they have so many benefits. Oh, that smells really nice. And then give it a last mix. Make sure everything is properly mixed, and there you are. Your salad is done and it's ready to serve. That is full of nutrients. It's full of everything that your body yearns for. I hope you do enjoy my video. You subscribe. Thank you.